This 2023 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 22RRBL is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Greencastle, Pennsylvania, 17225 and is offered for sale by Keystone RV MEGA Center. This new Forest River is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features a SAGUARO interior, sleeps 4, Colorado Detector, spare tire kit, smoke detector, microwave, awning, oven, auxiliary battery, water heater, air conditioning, LP detector, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, patio deck. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 22RRBL is 4,871 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Keystone RV MEGA Center, visit RVUSA.com.